Question 8. Two metal rods are subjected to different tensile forces. Rod A is stretched by a tensile force F that causes an extension Y. Rod B is stretched by a tensile force 3F that causes an extension 3Y. Both rods follow Hooke's law. What is the ratio of the strain energy stored in rod A to the strain energy stored in rod B? This problem relates to elastic deformation and strain energy stored in a stretched elastic material. So let us begin by recalling what we already know. We know that strain is the ratio of extension to original length, while stress is force per unit area. In elastic materials that obey Hooke's law, stress is proportional to strain. We also know that, for a rod under a tensile force producing an extension, the strain energy stored is given by strain energy equals 1/2 multiplied by force multiplied by extension. Now let us think through the solution step by step. First, consider rod A. Rod A is subjected to a force F, and it produces an extension Y. So, the strain energy stored in rod A equals 1/2 multiplied by F multiplied by Y. Next, consider rod B. Rod B is subjected to a force 3F, and it produces an extension 3Y. Substituting these values into the strain energy expression gives the strain energy in rod B equals 1/2 multiplied by 3F multiplied by 3Y. Multiplying these terms together gives the strain energy in rod B equals 9/2 multiplied by F multiplied by Y. Now we determine the ratio of the strain energies. The ratio of the strain energy in rod A to the strain energy in rod B becomes 1/2 Fy divided by 9/2 Fy. Simplifying this gives 1/2 multiplied by 2/9, which equals 1/9. So, the ratio of the strain energy stored in rod A to the strain energy stored in rod B is 1/9. This is our final answer. What did we do? We started by recalling the formula for strain energy stored in a stretched rod, which is 1/2 multiplied by force multiplied by extension. Then, we substituted the given forces and extensions for rods A and B. Finally, we formed the ratio of the two energies and simplified the expression by canceling the common terms. Let us finish with a quick summary. Strain energy is the energy stored in an elastic material when it is stretched or compressed. For a rod under a tensile force, the strain energy equals 1/2 multiplied by force multiplied by extension.